Hey everybody, it is Travis Holzem with Food Foret Design Solutions. And I just wanted to make a quick video today to show you how fast and how easy you can make passive income with Food Foret Design Solutions affiliate program. So follow along, and there's a link in this email to the affiliate sign up page. So you can just click on that link. You go right to the sign up page. If you are at the front of this website, you've never been here before, you can go up and hover over get involved and go down to become an affiliate. And we're going to come to the affiliate sign up page. There's all the information about the affiliate program. And I'm going to create myself an affiliate user, and let me get and I'm just going to show you, see how long it's taken me so far. What, a few seconds. Check accept terms and conditions, upload an image if you want. You're going to check I am not a robot, you're in the United States, put an email for PayPal. I will have other payment solutions like Venmo and Cash App, and I will be adding those into the back end so you can change your payment solution. And then you click register, and it's going to successfully register. Now, I approve all affiliates. Okay, so now that I got the new one in there, I'm going to have to approve email. Okay. I approve everybody personally, so I don't automatically let people just join the affiliate program because I don't want spammers. I want people who only are going to do ethical marketing. You know, it's up to you how you want to market as long as it's legal. That's what I care about. Now I'm going to go to my email account, and there we go. Welcome to the Food Foret Design Solutions affiliate program. You're going to go scroll down, and you're going to click on this link to the affiliate program. And if you are not approved for the affiliate program yet, this is not going to, it's going to say you don't have access yet. So just be patient. I try to get in there a few times a day so I can approve you for the affiliate program. Like I said, I personally approve everybody, so I don't get a bunch of spammers in my affiliate program that's going to ruin it for everybody else. But anyway, we click on affiliate login. It's already logged me in. So, but here, we're going to go to the login page right here. So let's go. Here's my new no, and then we're gonna, you can go on remember me so you don't have to do this captcha all the time, but now we're gonna log in. And just like that, you are an affiliate of Food Foret Design Solutions. Okay, now this is your dashboard. I'm going to make another video that is going to walk you through step by step on everything in the dashboard here. But this is how easy it is to become an affiliate and start making money with Food Foret Design Solutions. Okay, if you have questions or anything about my affiliate program, go ahead and shoot me an email, travis@foodforestabundance.com. I'm creating a separate page on my website for affiliates, and that link will be either added to the back end of the dashboard, or you will receive an email to that page, and it's going to have training tools. It's going to have a lot more marketing materials, videos and images and articles for, blog articles, and pre-written emails that you can add to your emails. If you have a newsletter, you can add this one little snippet of text with your affiliate link and just add it to the bottom of your newsletter permanently. And every time it goes out, there you go. You got a link coming right back to my website here. And if that user that you referred to the website ends up buying a Food Foret Design blueprint from Food Foret Design Solutions, you will receive a commission for that. So, very simple, very simple. All you have to do is share my marketing materials. It's up to you how involved you want to be in the sales process. If you are into permaculture and you are an influencer, basically, if you become involved in the sales process as much as you want to, and basically all you need to do is refer people to my website, and I have free consultations on the website. So normally if someone has questions, they're going to schedule a free consultation with me. And once we get on the phone or a Zoom call or Google Meet, wherever it is, I have a pretty good closing rate. And it's not always a one call close. So there might be some multiple contacts. But just know that you referred that that client to us. You will automatically be tracked to that client. Now, one of two ways. I will get to this in the training, but you can use a link or you can use a coupon code to track yourself or have yourself tracked. But anyway, that's how you sign up. See how fast that was, and you can be. After you watch the other videos, I'm going to show you how to post things to social media, how to use your affiliate link to make money. Okay? And there you go. I will be in touch soon. Grow food, not lawns. Have an amazing day, my friends.